SEW-EURODRIVE is a global leader with over 90 years of expertise in drive technology. For 40 of those years, we have serviced Australian industry with our unsurpassed product range, backed by an industry-leading 24-hour emergency breakdown service and some $50 million worth of stock to ensure SEW is always geared to go. As a global player and leader in the power transmission field, SEW-EURODRIVE offers a wide-ranging portfolio of quality and readily available options. Our products are built to last the test of time to exacting standards and backed by a national network of industry-leading facilities and stock holdings. For over 30 years, we have held ISO 9001 quality accreditation in Australia and continually work on improving outcomes, not only internally, but through our whole supply chain. We must all share the common values and ensure quality is built in from the beginning, as it cannot be inspected in later. Innovation has always driven the world. Therefore, we are no different to the many other organisations where we need to ensure we work with our customer base at industry's coalface to ensure we can research, develop and provide the right products to help them be leaders in their respective fields.